The topic is lignan, ruta or routine, and T. For the subject Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 2, BPT 504, presented by Shubham Pal, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Technology, JS University. First of all, what is lignan? Mainly when food containing lignan precursor are generally consumed when they are converted to the enterolignan, enterodiol or enterolactone by bacteria that normally colonize the human intestine. So that means lignan precursor are generally consumed by converting to enterolignan, enterodiol, lactone by some bacteria, and that can be colonize the human intestine. Enterodiol or enterolactine have weak estrogenic activity, but it also exerts some biological effect through non-estrogenic mechanism, because enterodiol or enterolactone can mimic some of the effect of estrogen, and their plant derived lignan precursors are classified as phytoestrogen. Moreover, lignan precursors that have been identified in the human diet include pinoresinol, lariciresinol, secoisolariciresinol, and mata-irisinol. So that is the lignan precursor that can be identified in the human diet. One is pinoresinol, lariciresinol, secoisolarisinol, and mata-irisinol, and others also. This is the enterodiol and enterolactone chemical structure, and also the chemical structure of some dietary lignan precursor, secoisolarisinol, mata-irisinol, lariciresinol, and pinoresinol. This is the some chemical structure of some dietary lignan precursor. So lignan is first introduced by scientist Haworth in 1948 to describe a group of dimeric phenylpropanoid. While two phenylpropanoid molecules are attached by its central carbon atom with C8, lignan are the subgroup of the non-flavonoid polyphenol, and it is widely distributed in the plant kingdom, and it is being present in more than 55 plant family, where they act as antioxidant and protect some molecule against pathogenic fungus and bacteria. So this is the all introduction about lignan. So lignan mainly a subgroup of non-flavonoid polyphenol, and it can act as an antioxidant and can protect molecule against some pathogenic fungus and bacteria. So this flow structure, lignan structure, contain phenylpropanoid. This is the main structure, and lignan. So number A describe the phenylpropanoid unit, and number B the main lignan structure. Here the chemical structure of lignan. The basic chemical structure, it consists of two phenylpropane unit linked carbon-carbon bond between the central atom, aspectic side chain position 8, and the beta described in the structure is also called beta-beta bond. And this case the dimers are called neolignan. So these dimers are called neolignan. Hence the chemical structure is also referred at the carbon 6 position and carbon 3 position, and they are also included in phenylpropanoid group as well as their precursor, and also the precursors are called hydroxycinnamic acid. So this is the phenylpropane unit are described here. So lignan can be found in more than 60 family of vascular plant. It have been isolated from different plant part, resin part, and it has some biological activity of lignan that described here: antiviral, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antioxidant, immunosuppressive, hepatoprotective, and also osteoporosis prevention. So this is the therapeutic or biological activity of the medicinal activity of the lignan. So based on their carbon skeletal and their cyclization pattern and the way the oxygen is incorporated in the lignan molecule skeleton, they can be divided into 8 subgroups. The main subclass of the lignan is furan, furan, dibenzyl butane, dibenzyl butyrolactol, dibenzyl butyrolactones, aryl tetraline, aryl naphthalene, dibenzocyclooctadienes. This is the 8 subgroup which can be subdivided on the basis of the oxygen incorporated in the lignan molecule skeleton. Among these subgroup, the furan and dibenzyl butane and the dibenzocyclooctadiene lignan can be further classified in lignan with carbon 9 oxygen and lignan without carbon 9 oxygen position. So this is the all about the some classification, some subgroup classification of the lignan. There are some structure: furan structure, dibenzyl butane structure. Though lignan are not present in the free form in nature, it is always linked with the other molecule, mainly glycosylate derivative. Among the most common lignan, the secoisolariciresinol is the most abundant lignan, and lariciresinol, pinoresinol, matirresinol, and 7-hydroxymatirresinol are found also. Now, podophylotoxin. What is this? It is a naturally occurring aryl tetraline lignin. It is most important compound due to their high toxicity, and current use of this podophylotoxin is as local antiviral agent. It can be obtained from the Podophyllum plant, and the biological family of the Podophyllum plant is Barbaridaceae. It is a mitotic toxin whose derivative have been used as a chemotherapeutic agent. So that is podophylotoxin, which is obtained from the Podophyllum plant, can be used as a local antiviral agent. Also its derivative have been used as chemotherapeutic agent. Some food rich in lignan are present some food dietary sources. The richest dietary sources is flaxseed, which is called linseed, that contain mainly secoisolariciresinol. So this is the linseed. So the linseed, the main dietary source of the lignan, which is which type of lignan? Secoisolariciresinol. Secoisolariciresinol. But also lariciresinol, pinoresinol, and matirresinol are in good quantity. They are also found in some sesame seed, also some grain seed. So this is the food sources or dietary sources of the lignan. Now the biosynthesis of the lignan. So this pathway starts from the 3-4 common dietary: hydroxycinnamic acid, paracaumaric acid, sinapic acid, ferulic acid is the main precursor of this subgroup of phenol, polyphenol. Similarly, they can arise the same chemic acid pathway through which the phenylpropanoid or flavonoid synthesis are there, by phenylalanine, the main precursor of this pathway. The first 3 reactions reduce the carboxylic group of the hydrocinamate to alcohol group with formation of some correspondent alcohol called monolignan, that is paracaumaric alcohol, synapyl alcohol, and coniferyl alcohol. This is called monolignol. This molecule also enters the pathway of biosynthesis of the lignin molecule. The first step, which generally lead to the activation of the hydroxycinnamic acid, is generally catalyzed by the hydroxycinnamate coenzyme ligases, which already discussed in the previous presentation. It commonly called as paracaumarate coenzyme ligases with formation of hydroxycinnamate coenzyme, namely ferulyl coenzyme and para-coumaroyl coenzyme and also synapyl coenzyme. In the second step, NADPase dependent cinnamyl coenzyme oxidoreductase, also called cinnamyl coenzyme reductase, catalyze the formation of the correspondent aldehyde, and this correspondent aldehyde can further release the coenzyme A. And in the last step, this NADPase dependent cinnamyl alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme, also called as monolignol dehydrogenase, also catalyze the reduction of the aldehyde group to alcohol group with the formation of monolignol. So this is the steps of biosynthesis of the lignan. In the next step, this dimerization of the monolignol involve the intervention of the stereoselective mechanism. It is more precisely enantioselective mechanism. Plant lignan extant as some enantiomer also. And then hydrocinamic acid, which is further called hydrocinamate, also are a class of aromatic acid or it also called a phenyl propanoid having a carbon 6 or carbon 3 skeleton. This compound also hydroxy derivative of cinnamic acid. This is the some schematic representation of the biosynthesis of the lignan, which are already discussed in the previous slide. Now, routine. This is the routine structure, main general chemical skeleton structure of. Now, routine. What is routine? Routine are also called as rutoside, quercetin, 3O routinoside, and sulfurin is the glycoside between the flavonol quercetin and disaccharide routinose. And the occurrence, the sources of the routine. Routine is one of the phenolic compound which is found in the plant species called Carpophoros edulis and also contribute to the antibacterial and antioxidant properties of the plant. The routine name comes from the name of Ruta graveolens, a plant that also contains rutin. That means rutin sometimes calls Ruta also, and it also comes the name of Ruta graveolens, a plant that also contains rutin. In food, rutin. So in food, rutin is a citrus flavonoid glycoside which found in many plants including buckwheat, leaves, petioles of rhium species, asparagus, tartary buckwheat seed, tartary buckwheat seed have been found to contain more rutin, about 0.8 to 1.7% dry weight, that common buckwheat seed. That means tartary buckwheat seed have been contain more rutin than common buckwheat seed. The ratio are there. Rutin is also found in the fruit of Fabadanta tree, which is generally found in Brazil. It also found in some fruit and flower of the pagoda tree. Some fruit and fruit rind, especially the citrus fruit like orange, grapefruit, lemon and lime, apple, berry, some berries, species of berries, mulberry, ash tree fruit, aronia berries, cranberries. So these citrus fruit, in these citrus fruit rutin are generally found. So this is the routine sources in food. Rutin is one of the primary flavonol found in clingstone peaches, and Fabadanta tree, the synthesis is done by a routine synthesis in activity. So this is the occurrence in from on food or from where routine is found. Some chemical relative. Routine is already told quercetin routinoside like quercitrin, the glycoside of flavonoid quercetin. As such, the chemical structure of both are very similar. It is generally different in the hydroxyl functional group between the quercetin and flavonoid quercetin. Metabolism of this routine, this enzyme quercitrinase can be found as Aspergillus flavus. It is an enzyme in the routine catabolic pathway. This enzyme can be found as the aspergillus flavus. Uses of this rutin: both quercetin and rutin are used in many countries as medication of blood vessel protection and ingredients of numerous multivitamin preparation and herbal remedies. So mainly it is protect the blood vessel and also used as various multivitamin preparation, and it also has a role in ligand. How? In humans it attaches to the iron, preventing to bind to the hydrogen peroxide, which would otherwise create a highly reactive free radical that may damage cell. It is also an antioxidant. Rutin can be used as an antioxidant. Furthermore, it has been shown to inhibit some in vitro the vascular endothelial growth factor in subtoxic concentration, so act as an inhibitor of angiogenesis process. So rutin also used as a inhibitor of angiogenesis. This finding may have potential relevance from the control of some cancer. Also, it can be a potential relevance from the control of some cancer. This is all about the uses of rutin and the uses of the health effect. Also rutin and quercetin. While a body of evidence of the health effect, while come into the health effect part, it generally available in mice, rat, hamster, rabbit, as well as in vitro study. No clinical study directly demonstrates that there are significant positive effect of rutin as dietary supplement of human, but it inhibits platelet aggregation as well as decrease capillary permeability, making the blood thinner and improve circulation. So it can be used as a blood thinner and it improves the circulation. It also shows some anti-inflammatory activity in some animal and some in vitro model studies. It also shown some anti-inflammatory activity. Rutin inhibit aldose reductase activity. This enzyme normally present in the eye and somewhere in the body also. It helps change of glucose into sugar alcohol sorbitol. So inhibit this reductase enzyme aldose reductase in aldose reductase activity. Rutin inhibits this activity of the aldose reductase. So this is all about the health effect of rutin, uses and health. Now some recent studies show rutin could help prevent blood clot. So it can be used to treat the patient who have some risk of heart attack or stroke. Some evidence also show that rutin can be used to treat hemorrhoid, varicosis, microangiopathy. Rutin increases the thyroid iodide uptake in rat without raising any serum. Rutin is also used an already told antioxidant compared to quercetin and acacetin, morin, hispidulin, hesperidin, naringin, the also other polyphenolic group. It was found to be the strongest. So rutin mainly the strongest between other polyphenolic group flavonoid. However, in other trials, the effect of rutin were lower or negligible compared to those of quercetin. So it is a matter of debate whether rutin is more prominent, most effective between other polyphenolic group or polyphenolic flavonoid. But some study it is also shown that rutin are lower or negligible compared to those of quercetin. Now hydroxyethyl rutoside synthetic hydroxyethyl acetylation of rutin are used in the treatment of chronic venous insufficiency. In veterinary medicine, rutin has also used here. Rutin may have a veterinary use in the management of chylothorax in dogs and cats. So this is a veterinary use of the medicinal use of the rutin. Now the last is tea. We all know about tea. This is the synonym of tea is Camellia thea. The biological source of the tea is Theacinensis, and the family of the tea is Theacia. Geographical source from where the tea is cultivated or tea is found. Large area of land are put under the cultivation of tea in India, Sri Lanka, China, Indonesia, Japan. It is available as black tea from India and Sri Lanka and green tea from China and Japan. Black tea generally obtained from the fermenting from the heap of the fresh tea leaf and further drying with artificial heat. Green tea is obtained by putting tea leaves in copper pan and then drying by artificial heat. The macroscopical or organoleptic character of the tea, its some scrub are present, evergreen scrub, which cultivated reaches to the height of 1 to 1.5 meter, and sometime after growing plant reach up to 6 meter also. It is plant is much branched, bear grey bark color, bark in grey color. The leaves are generally dark green color. Blunt is apex, base and tapering margin shortly serrate. Young leaves are generally hairy, while mature leaves are glabrous. And now flowers are solitary or in groups of 2 or 3 in the leaf axil and also drooping. Tea has characteristic odor and it has taste in bitter in taste. So tea has bitter in taste. So there is some preparation of green tea procedure. It is not necessary, but you can also read, but it is not necessary. Some chemical constituents are there. The leaves are considered as a rich sources of caffeine. 1 to 3% caffeine are present as a chemical in the tea leaves. It also contains theobromine, theophylline in minor quantities. The color of tea leaves is due to galotanic acid. 15% galotanic acid is present in tea leaf, and the agreeable odor which is present in the tea due to presence of yellow volatile oil. Tea leaves also contain some enzyme mixture called thias also. So large number and several type of chemicals constituent are present in the tea leaf. Uses: tea is generally used as CNS stimulant in the form of beverage. Besides, it also acts as a diuretic as well. So basically it acts as CNS stimulant in the form of beverage and also act as a diuretic. Caffeine also has a white powder without any odor but possesses bitter taste. It is a weak base, freely soluble in water, alcohol, chloroform and other solvent also, but its solubility in water is sharply increased in the presence of benzoate, bromide, citric acid and other salicylate. Chemical test: caffeine also gives muroxide color reaction. This is the structure of the caffeine. While caffeine is taken in the petri dish and hydrochloric acid and potassium chloride are added to it, and then it is heated to dry, a purple color is obtained, and also some dilute ammonium vapor are present and exposing their residue also. The purple color is lost on addition of some fixed alkali. In other way, caffeine also produce white precipitate with tannic acid solution. Uses caffeine. Caffeine is widely accepted and used as a CNS stimulant like tea also due to its cerebral vasoconstrictor effect. So more or less tea and caffeine are the same medicinal use. Thank you to all.